हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल शॉर्ट एंड क्लासेस विद रेनू। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कैलाश चंद्रा का वॉल्यूम 24 और ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 519 करेंगे। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, आफ्टर hearing the roaring waterfalls speeches giving out all the details of the shortcomings and pitfalls of the government and its policy and the grim picture of the working of the government, I, who is not an economist in my own humble capacity, would like to hold a small lamp of hope and faith in the government's economic policies and its planning. Mistakes are always made, otherwise, we are not human. Differences of emphasis and working are always there, but it does not mean that we should summarily opine that everything is wrong. Sir, in framing these budget proposals, the finance minister had a very difficult and very delicate task to perform. The first step that he had to take was to accelerate the economic growth both on the agricultural and the industrial front, and secondly, to maintain some price stability. The very fact that the prices of certain essential commodities did not shoot up after the budget was itself an act of great relief to many consumers, especially to housewives who always used to sit up tight, keeping the fingers crossed, not knowing what the items are going to be on which the X of the finance minister will fall. For the first time, this continuous fear has been belied to a great extent after the presentation of the budget. And so, sir, placed as we are in an extremely difficult economic situation, many common consumers and housewives like me think that the finance minister deserves all congratulations for presenting this year a growth oriented budget. Sir, the national budget is not only an annual accounting of expenses and revenues, but the finance minister has to give through the budget a correct picture of the present as well as of the hopes for the future. Sir, it is the prerogative of not only the small, microscopic, affluent class to sit in judgment, but also the common people who have an equal right to say something about the budget. Sir, irrespective of any other pressures, especially where it is well known that this is the pre-election year, the budget reflects the underlying main stress on the economic considerations. This itself shows the determination to overcome the critical period by introducing a number of measures for different select sections of the people. It stresses the proper investment priorities and curtailment of non-essential consumption items.